Coming to the research and everything of how politically, the government went to see to it that the article was abrogated, and the scene also when we were doing that, that was the first day that we shot.
We started our training 25 days before we started shooting, and we had on duty and off duty NSG commandos training us.
हम तीनों बैठकर जब बात कर रहे थे तो किसी एक जगह पे अब ये नहीं ऐसे लाइन बोलनी चाहिए, ये लाइन बोलनी चाहिए. तो ये सब होने के बाद फिल्म देखते हुए मेरे राइटर ने मुझे बताया, सर आपको पता है ये लाइन आपकी है, ये स्क्रिप्ट में नहीं थी. वो डिस्कशन में मैंने कहा कि मैं इस तरह से ये लाइन बोल देता हूँ कि पूरा का पूरा कश्मीर, वो स्क्रिप्ट में नहीं थी लाइन.
Wow.
वो उस वक्त मैंने कहा कि हमें ये इस तरह से बोलना चाहिए, था है और रहेगा.
Let me just start with this, that I had to make sure that I watched this movie before sitting with the people who were a part of this movie, because it brings out history and it shows the growth of India, which is portrayed in the movie by amazing stars who have experience and have been known for picking up stories which always bring something with them. We have the cast of Article 370 sitting with us today. Thank you for joining us today at midday. Thank you so much. You know, first things first, the movie is out. It has got great response, right? So I would want to know, was it expected that, something of this sort will come out, or what was the feeling like, that Friday? What was that Friday like?
See, honestly, when we were making this film, I don't know about the others, but I'm sure Kiran sir, myself, Arun sir, and the direction team, all of us, when we were sitting, when we got the story, we got to know what, India went through on the 5th of August. I'm sorry, 5th August?
Yeah.
5th August, 5th August 2019. What they went through to see to it that the article was abrogated. I think that itself was a big, it was such a great thing to learn that, India went through so much.
Yeah.
Even the political way they went through so much. The Jawans went through so much. Everybody, So we knew for a fact that we didn't know whether it would do this well. To be very honest, I didn't know. But somewhere deep down, we wanted the story to come out to the audience. We wanted them to know what everybody went through, to see to that this article was abrogated, the importance, and because I'm sure half the people did not know what Article 370 was all about. Pre-release, everybody had their point of view for the film. They were saying whatever they wanted to say, but I think once the movie came out, I think the views changed, and that's what you see today.
Yeah. It was unimaginable to see you in the role that you played. I was like, what? What did just happen?
Look at him on screen and look at him now. The demeanor is completely different.
No, so for me,
Not saying that he had to be that way right now.
yeah. But to be honest, the character you played and the look that you have, that I'm like, okay, हाँ.
नहीं दिखता.
And बिल्कुल भी नहीं.
Yeah, मतलब since we have seen his work before, absolutely unimaginable that you would be playing that.
Priya does not know that I've been working on television since 10 years now.
Yeah.
Indian television, but this is my first film, so the experience was great.
After this, please don't tell me which all television work you've done. Because my mother is an ardent television
I'll tell you.
viewer.
I've seen this stuff.
Sorry, go ahead.
So this chance which I got, actually Aditya Dhar, who is the producer of the film, has been my mentor since a decade now, and I've been training under him. So for me to do his first production, B62 Studios, so it's nothing less than a dream for me. So I'm really excited for the journey which I have ahead, and working with Priya, Yami ji, and Kiran ji, Skand, Vaibhav, everyone. I mean, great cast, and could have not asked for more. That's all.
Yeah, I mean, bang on with the transformation you've played in this movie.
Thank you.
Of what we see. It's crazy. I was just amazed
Thank
looking
you.
at that.
Thank you. So sweet. Thank you.
So yeah, what's your take? Like, वो Friday कैसी थी जब पता था कि ये अब movie आज release हो रही है? This movie brings with itself a lot of importance.
देखिए, मैं अपनी प्रोसेस बताता हूँ. मेरी प्रोसेस ये है, कोई भी काम एक्सेप्ट करने से पहले मैं 10 बार इस एंगल से उस एंगल से सोचता हूँ.
Makes sense.
और जब मैं हाँ कहता हूँ, मेरे पास जितने भी सीन्स है, जो भी रोल है और जैसा भी है, मैं ये मान के चलता हूँ कि उस सीन्स, उस दिन के लिए या उस रोल के लिए मैं ही हीरो. मैं उस हिसाब से अपना काम करता हूँ। काम ख़त्म होता है मेरा, अब वो टीवी शो हो, थिएटर हो या फिल्म हो, मैं अब ये हिट होगी नहीं होगी, ये कैसे होगी, क्या रिस्पॉन्स मिलेगा, मैं ये बिल्कुल नहीं सोचता, बिकॉज मेरा काम वही ख़त्म हो जाता है। उसके बाद जो है वो ऑडियंस का काम शुरू हो जाता है। उन्हें अगर अच्छा लगा तो फिल्म अच्छी चलती है, उन्हें अगर नहीं लगा तो हम कितना भी ज़ोर शोर से कहे कि ये हमने कमाल का प्रोडक्ट बनाया, अगर वो नहीं लोगों ने एक्सेप्ट किया तो नहीं किया। सो मेरे लिए ऐसे था कि मैं जब शो देखने गया तो मुझे ऐसे था कि फिल्म मुझे कैसे लग रही है नॉर्मल ऑडियंस की हैसियत से, और मैंने क्या जो काम करते हुए कम से कम गलतियाँ की है। अगर दोनों का हाँ में जवाब है तो मैं खुश होता हूँ। अब रिस्पॉन्स जो भी मिले, अपने मेरे लिए वो कमाल की फिल्म है और मेरा काम अच्छा है, मैं इतना ही सोचता हूँ। और वो फिल्म शुरू होने के या टीवी शो या थिएटर रिस्पॉन्स जैसे ही बढ़ता जाता है वैसे ही मैं उससे रिएक्ट करना कम कर देता हूँ अपने आप में। मुझे ऐसा लगता है कि ये हो गया, अब नया कुछ आएगा तभी ये प्रूव होगा कि मैं सही कर रहा हूँ, अच्छा कर रहा हूँ। क्योंकि आपने जो काम किया, अब नए काम में बताइए वहाँ क्या कर सकते हो। इट्स लाइक अ स्लेट। मैं ऑलवेज ये कहता हूँ कि एक्टर के लिए एक स्लेट होता है, पहला आप वाइप आउट करो तभी नया आएगा। तो अगर लोगों को अच्छा लग रहा है तो आई एम हैप्पी, दैट्स इट।
Very well
सर
said.
अच्छा लग रहा है पूरा का पूरा कश्मीर।
Sorry to interrupt, but
Yes, yes.
that one dialogue what Sir says, I mean, especially in the end, the
Yeah.
parliament scene mein, I think the way he has said it, not me being an actor, and when I saw it as an audience, I myself got up and I started clapping. The entire theater started clapping for that one line. Like, क्या बात कर रहे हैं आप, क्या बात कर रहे हैं? मतलब अक्सा चिन्ह और कश्मीर, you don't, it was mind blowing.
अच्छा, मजे की बात
I would like to
बताता हूँ।
add to it.
अभी मैं मजे की बात-
Sir, please,
Okay,
please. एक बार मुझे बोलने दो, क्योंकि ये आप ही की तारीफ में 2 शब्द हैं। जब मैं फिल्म रिलीज हुई और अब तक ऐसे कितने दिन हो गए हमें, 13-14 दिन, 14 days. So there has not been even a single day I've not watched the film in the theaters. So I've gone to different shows and watched our film every day. I told this to Kiran sir as I came कि वो लाइन आने से पहले और उसके आने के बाद एक रिएक्शन है जो बहुत कम फिल्मों पे और बहुत कम कैरेक्टर्स को मिलता है। तो सर वही कह रहे हैं ना कि नए स्लेट, इसी एटीट्यूड की वजह से शायद वो आई थिंक पॉसिबल है। तो कुडोस टू यू सर।
अच्छा, मज़े की बात बताता हूँ। ये मेरे लिए भी थोड़ा शॉकिंग था क्योंकि मैं ये भूल चुका था। जब हम लोग इस सीन को लेकर बात कर रहे थे तो डायरेक्टर आदित्य जी और राइटर हमारे मोनल, हम तीनों बैठकर जब बात कर रहे थे तो किसी एक जगह पे अब ये नहीं, ऐसे लाइन बोलनी चाहिए, ये लाइन बोलनी चाहिए। तो ये सब होने के बाद फिल्म देखते हुए मेरे राइटर ने मुझे बताया, सर आपको पता है ये लाइन आपकी है, ये स्क्रिप्ट में नहीं थी। वो डिस्कशन में मैंने कहा कि मैं इस तरह से ये लाइन बोल देता हूँ कि पूरा का पूरा कश्मीर, वो स्क्रिप्ट में नहीं थी लाइन।
Wow.
वो उस वक्त मैंने कहा कि हमें ये इस तरह से बोलना चाहिए, था, है और रहेगा। तो मैंने कहा क्या बात कर रहे हो, मैं तो भूल भी गया। जैसे मैंने कहा कि मेरी याद है, मैं भूल भी गया, मैंने कर लिया, हो गया काम। तो नहीं, आपकी लाइन नहीं, स्क्रिप्ट में नहीं थी लाइन। तो मेरे लिए तो बड़ा ऐसे हो गया, अरे ये तो कैसे हो गया, कमाल हो गया, और अच्छा लगता है।
When you read a book, there are always certain quotes or certain lines in the book which you really like, and you probably put a mark over it, or you will fold the pages to remember that, right? So when the trailer came out, वो एक particular scene was something which I would say was mind-boggling for any movie lover to see that how well it was shot and the way it was done, like the way you played that role. And उसके बाद जब movie में another good thing about the movie was कि वो हर chapter wise दिखाया गया था, right? So the chapter's name is will always be, was and always be, right? So जब वो था and उसके बाद जब आपकी वो dialogue आती है, so it's like the whole chapter coming together. So, and on top of that, that's the photo that I have with me of that scene.
एक बात बताऊं, ये मैं इसलिए नहीं कह रहा हूँ कि अच्छा आपका हिट हो गया तो आप ये कह रहे हैं, इसलिए नहीं कह रहा हूँ। किसी भी एक प्रोडक्ट जो होता है उसका कोई भी एक हिस्सा बहुत अच्छा नहीं होना चाहिए, नहीं होता है, और वो होकर भी वो इफ़ेक्ट नहीं ले आता है। जब तक वो पूरा प्रोडक्ट अच्छा ना हो उसका कोई भी एक हिस्सा अच्छा नहीं लगता। अगर आपने हलवा हाथ में रखा है और उसके ऊपर बढ़िया कमाल के किशमिश रखे हैं तो किशमिश अच्छे लगे हैं, लेकिन हलवा ख़राब हो तो कोई खाता नहीं, वो सब पूरा का पूरा प्रोडक्ट खाता है। तो उसमें मुझे ऐसे लगा कि एक फोर्स है जो ऑन द फील्ड वहाँ पे काम कर रहा है, जो उसे अपोज कर रहा है, जो एक डिसीजन वाले एक वहाँ पर एक फोर्स है, और एक ऐसा कैरेक्टर है इनका जो है, मैं हमेशा कहता हूँ इनका कैरेक्टर इतना ट्रिकी है, ना वो एग्रेसिवली कोई डिसीजन ले रही है, ना वो ऑन द फील्ड है,
She can't show it on the
कुछ
face
नहीं कर
also.
रही है, दोनों के बीच का एक पुल है, और वो इतनी ट्रिकी है सारा वो मामला। अगर ये सब कुछ अच्छा ना होता तो वो सीन भी अच्छा नहीं लगता, और वाइस वर्सा इतना अच्छा होने के बाद अगर वो सीन अच्छा नहीं होता तो भी वो पूरी फिल्म में से डुब्स हो जाती। तो हर चीज़ एक दूसरे को सपोर्ट करते हुए ऊपर जाती है। 10 मंजिल की बिल्डिंग में तीसरा माला थोड़ा कच्चा रहा तो वो
Sweet,
बिल्डिंग
sir.
बिल्डिंग नहीं रहती। इट्स लाइक
What's your take on that?
On what?
Like
Like 10 things spoken.
yeah, I mean it's good in a way that it came around as a conversation. So your role as well, playing an officer, playing somebody who's a part of the NIA, and that character. It's movie is always juggling between two things, right? एक तो वो political level पे वो चल रही है, और उसके साथ साथ the whole planning to make sure of the terrorists as well at the back, and looking after, and she being the pillar between both the parties, if I say parties in the sense
Yeah,
two groups. So given that part, given the whole planning, how was that like when that question I would ask to all of you actually, but starting with you, like ये पूरे मूवी के लिए, this is not a movie I would say जो मैटर करता है अच्छा होया हो, but the story is such, it came out in such a way and it's history and everybody should watch it, और उसके लिए प्रेपरेशन उतना ही लगता है, and it's not easy, right? So each one
He
of you,
underwent
like
a lot of preparation.
कैसे like how was like कि कैसे पढ़ना है इस मूवी के बारे में, इसके बैकग्राउंड का क्या पूरा पढ़ाई करना पड़ेगा मुझे, रोल कैसे करना है, what was the research like?
So for us specifically, the boys who were wearing the uniform, it's me and Weber. We started our training 25 days before we started shooting, and we had on duty and off duty NSG commandos training us. Keshu sir, shout out. So Lieutenant Colonel Keshwendra Singh ji the. He was there with us on set, off set, from weapon training to communicating without speaking words, all the hand gestures and all of that. So for us, it was, I'll be very honest, it was more important for us to make sure that we do justice to the uniform. That's it. That was my first thought. In fact, the first day of training, I mean, that's how even AD sir thinks. मैंने गन उठाई and he told me two things. I was not the fittest at that point. So he's like, listen, you're going to wear a uniform. I want you to get in shape so that every young boy who sees you in the uniform throughout this country should feel like, अच्छा CRPF officer ऐसा दिखता है, मुझे भी जाना है आर्मी में. That was his first thought. I mean, that's how he thinks. Film तो ठीक है, like, but that's how far he thinks. And the second thing he told me was, all of us, is like your weapon training, it should be so good that even if you have to pick up an actual gun ever, you should know what to do. Like anyone who looks at you handling a gun, उन्हें देख के पता होना चाहिए कि वो no, he knows what he's doing. So that's the level of training we did for good 20-25 days. And to be very honest, starting के 1 घंटे में आपको अपनी औकात पता चल जाती है कि क्या है. When there's a NSG commando standing there and he just asks you to hold the gun up for 15 minutes, just 15 minutes, and everything starts spinning. And those guns are not as fake as you think. Like they're just a notch lower. They just don't shoot. That's it. They are as heavy. They are as big. So to be very honest, मेरे लिए तो पहले वही था कि I have to do justice to the uniform. The tagline of CRPF is loyalty and service. So that's all I had in my mind. And I think even the officers I met in Kashmir, CRPF officers, उनके लिए पहले सर्विस आती है. ऑर्डर कहीं से भी आ रहा हो, उनको वो नहीं फ़र्क पड़ता. जो उनको मिशन दिया है, जो उनको काम दिया है, वो उनको कंप्लीट करना है बस. दैट्स इट. व्हाट इज़ हैपनिंग ऑन अ पॉलिटिकल लेवल comes way later for them. They have to complete their duty and their service. So that's how I went in with it. but obviously it's my first film as well, just like Ashwini. So, and I'm very thankful and grateful to God. I had the best people around me. And I'm not gonna lie, I really wanted the film to work. And I had no doubt about it, क्योंकि जब मैं पहली बार जामले सर से मिला, I think we spoke for 15 minutes and I could see it in his eyes how passionate he is. And the things that he told me, I just knew that this guy knows what he's doing, and I just had to blindly do what he says. And I'm very happy, and I just hope it does even better. And yeah, that's it.
That makes sense. I mean, how the preparation would have been like for each one of you. I mean, we all know which character was, similar to what character and everything, but, it's Women's Day is what we have today and we are celebrating it. But with you, I have to say, whichever movie of yours is coming out lately, Jawan, this, Maidan is coming soon. These are all, like, even when you see the poster, even when you don't know the story of a movie, but it shows that women are coming forward way much more.
Have you seen
Of course,
Family Man?
I have.
Oh, I love it. I
Yeah.
love her in Family Man. Just saying. Yeah, go ahead.
Just a little FYI, we're starting season 3 very soon.
Oh, plug in.
She's gonna be this year, next year.
This is your year.
Yeah.
So, playing these characters and like sir was saying कि ये character ऐसा है जो react नहीं कर सकता है कोई भी ऐसी situation में normally. जब उनकी वो scene चल रही होती है नीचे, वो बात कर रहे होते हैं, you're standing ऊपर और you're already juggling. You can't react, you can't even let him know कि क्या चल रहा है. You have to let him do his job and you're like, पीछे क्या चल रहा है? पीछे क्या चल? I mean, a basic normal human man would like, there's so much going on. Tackling that, doing all of that, and another good scene was the whole research the team was doing.
Yeah.
To figure out कि जब वो लाइब्रेरी में जाता है वो आर्काइव से जब निकालना होता है कि अरे ये क्लॉज तो मिसिंग है.
Yeah.
Figuring all that out. Could you imagine that all of this is happening? उस चीज़ का research करके उस चीज़ को समझना खाली what I feel is when you're studying or when you're acting, just reading the dialogues would not be enough. But the whole preparation surrounding for you as a woman character, how was that like?
I didn't do much of preparation, to be very honest. Mine was, I basically am more of a spot on kind of a person. So what I feel at that point, I would just express. But yes, coming to the research and everything of how politically, the government went to see to it that the article was abrogated, and the scene also when we were doing that, that was the first day that we shot. First day of mine as well. So we shot that scene on the first day, and then in the night, we were shooting till 9 in the night. And I was just amazed by how much research Aditya Dhar sir, Aditya Jhamle, all of them have done to see to it that, see, they have a vast amount of research for this entire, about the article, but to concise that and bring it to a 2.5 hour, as a 2.5 hour film, or 2 hour 20 minute, 2 hour 40 minute, whatever, how much ever the duration, 2 hour 40, thank you. I think it was something brilliant, first and foremost. Hats off to the research that everybody's done. And they basically did not tell me that how Rajeshwari will go about the particular, how she approaches, the abrogation, and because she's got the orders from the higher ups, which is the HM and the honorable HM and the honorable CM, PM, sorry. So she has to see to it that, there's not a lot of hoo-ha happening around in the office, to be very secretive. Only a very few people know about the whole thing, how to go about abrogating the article, what steps should be taken, including them. So they all are in the loop, so she should not have too much of it should not be too loud a body language, yet it should be very content, it should, so all that went into my head as soon as I was reading the dialogues and everything, and with the information that was being passed on to me during shoot as well. So I guess it was all, I think all that helped, and I'm really happy with the outcome that a lot of people are liking it. They almost on a daily basis, I keep getting a lot of messages from people saying the movie is brilliant, all of you have done brilliantly, and so I'm really happy that they've accepted it with open arms, and I hope that they still do it.
Yeah, I also have to mention the way you were dealing with the foreign affairs journalist. So that also, like, big shout out for that.
Yeah.
You know, quick last two questions. If you have to define this movie as per you in one word or two words, like.
For me, this was the first film for a lot of people, and it was all dreamy for me in the film because a lot of dreams were also attached to it. A lot of people like Aditya Subhash Jambale. Actually, I and Aditya did our first film together, which is Baramulla. So that's
Oh,
our.
I'm waiting for that. I saw the teaser, by the way.
Thank you.
Very
So
nice.
so yeah, so
Can't wait for
that's
it too. Can't
that's
wait to see it.
that's the first film we did together, and this is the second. So it happens to be our first together now because it releases first now. So, but yeah, dreamy. This film is dreamy for me. One word.
I would say very real. It's very real for me. I mean, no matter, though most of our characters, or almost all our characters, are inspired by actual people, I think the makers have kept it as real as possible. And all of us have also kept it as real as possible, not going overboard anywhere. So I think it's just brilliant and real for me.
Important, because I've been getting a lot of messages from people that they've
It is important.
either heard about it for the first time or learnt a lot. So I think it's a important film, and personally very special for a plethora of reasons. First and foremost being it's my first film, and so on and so forth. Like everything in the film that I did was for the first time, from holding a gun to
No, it didn't look like your first, I must say.
Yeah, I mean, I tried. I tried, but it was like the holding the gun, firing it, everything was the first time. It was just very special. Your first film, my first film will never happen again. It was my first one, so special and
First
important.
one in Bollywood can happen.
Yeah, I
First one
don't.
in Tamil, Punjabi. You know, there's always a first one.
वेल मुझे कोई पूछता है कि फिल्म मेरे काम के बारे में बात करता है या फिल्म के बारे में, तो मैं इतना ही कहता हूँ कि ये बहुत कमाल की फिल्म है, बहुत अच्छी क्वालिटी है फिल्म की पूरी, मतलब एवरीथिंग फ्रॉम कैमरा, एडिटिंग, म्यूज़िक
Yeah, actually,
Actors.
background music was amazing.
और बैकग्राउंड म्यूज़िक बहुत कमाल की फिल्म है. दो नाम तो मैं इसलिए नहीं कि ये यहाँ पर है, मैं दो नामों के बारे में हमेशा लोगों से कह रहा हूँ, जो मेरे अपने दोस्त भी हैं जिनसे मैं बात करता हूँ कि फ़िल्म जाके देखिए, फ़िल्म बड़ी अच्छी है. आप मेरा काम छोड़ दीजिए, फ़िल्म बड़ी अच्छी है. और यामी गौतम और प्रियमणि इन्होंने कमाल का काम किया हुआ है, और बहुत उनका जो काम है वो यामी उन्होंने तो सुपर्ब काम किया. और इनके बारे में, रोल के बारे में हमेशा मैं यही कहता रहा हूँ लोगों से, बहुत ट्रिकी रोल है, उसका बैलेंस रखना बड़ा मुश्किल होता है. आपके पास कोई एक एग्रेसिव एक्सप्रेशन है नहीं, ना वो आपके पास कोई इमोशनल पॉइंट है, ना कोई आपको एंगर है, कुछ नहीं है आपके पास, लेकिन फिर भी वो है एक इम्पोर्टेंट. सुपर फिल्म है, आप जाके देखिए, मज़ा आएगा आपको.
Something very important, I'll tell you. My parents had come for the premiere, and I met them after the film was over and everything. My parents, they love me. I'm their child. They told me that they forgot that they had come to see a film and I am there. वो भूल गए थे कि फिल्म में मैं भी हूँ. By the end of it, they wanted to watch the entire film and see what's happening, and that said a lot on the first day itself. So that's very special.
I should also add to this. My parents saw it in Bangalore because they live there. And my father is generally not, he's not a movie lover. He's not a movie goer. Okay, let me put it that way. Partiality was there because I'm a part of the film. But once the movie finished, he gave me a call personally and he said, the movie is brilliant. I said, Yami has performed so beautifully. You've done a good job, no doubt, because, you know, as I said, partiality and things like that. But he said, as a film, he said it's a brilliant film, and because he is not a man of many words, but when he says something, he actually means it. He said it's a beautiful film, brilliant film. Kudos to the entire team.
Thank you so much. I just have to say that not just as a journalist, but as a viewer, acting, story, background music, everything in the movie is on point. Thank you for giving this movie to us. It was something that got so much of knowledge to us as well. I'm pretty sure people might know Article 370, but the whole thing that went behind the doing and all of it, people must have been amazed when they saw it. So thank you for joining us today. Thank you so much.
Thank you.
Subscribe to Midday India. Get direct notifications on all our videos by clicking on the bell icon.